Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're going to talk about parts and all things related. So with us, it depends on insurance companies and all that things. We've talked in the past about people getting an OEM writer. That's really important. Most people don't get that though. Insurance companies, a lot of times, if they wrote their own estimate, they've got guidelines of the approved parts. And if we wrote the estimate, then we had to use insurance guidelines to get the parts for your car. That's all according to your policy, so that's a whole nother video we've talked about. But even if we do have to do that, we do our best to try and get the dealers to work with us to match the prices on brand new OEM parts and get them for the cost of the aftermarket. That way we can fix your car, it looks better on the other end. It's faster because if we have to order aftermarket parts and then they don't fit, then we have to go back and reorder the OEM parts that do fit. So it extends the process and things like that. What we use for most of our parts ordering is a thing called Parts Trader, and it's a quoting program. So we have your estimate and it's in our software, and we send it out, and this Parts Trader software sends it out and broadcasts it to a big network of dealers. And then they come back and quote on the job, and they let us know two things. They let us know the prices that they can sell it to us for to see if we can match it with any aftermarket parts prices, and they let us know how soon we can get it. These days there's a lot of parts delays out there, so that's really important because we'll happily pay a few extra bucks to get a part tomorrow instead of saving some money and it taking 3 weeks if that's an option. We want to get your car fixed and back to you as soon as possible, because one thing, rental cars cost a lot of money. Most people are happy with their cars. They want their car. They don't want a rental car. We want to make sure that you're happy, because there's been plenty of studies that show that the longer you're without your car, the less happy you are with your repair experience. So that's important to us. We want you happy with us when you get your car back. But the rental cost, if you go through your own insurance, you've only got 30 days on your rental. There is a cap on there, so we got to get stuff done as quick as possible. And in this post-COVID world, everything's just not sitting around for us to just grab off the shelf. So as usual, if you have any questions about any of this stuff, give us a call or swing by Johnson Auto Body.